Hello, my name's John Wadsworth, and I'm delighted to be able to bring you this workshop on the moon's nodes that I'm calling the Path of the Dragon. I'm calling it that because of the old idea that the nodes of the moon were a great cosmic dragon with its head, Rahu, and its tail, Ketu, marking the points in the zodiac where eclipses would occur, where the solar and lunar eclipses would happen. And that also then enables an astrologer to work out when those eclipses are going to happen as well. And then the dragon, so this swallowing of the sun, this darkening, reddening of the moon that happens at a lunar eclipse. These very powerful phenomena had tremendous religious and mythological significance to the ancients. And they have a very important role to play within astrology. The way that we tend to read them in Western astrology is that they have a kind of evolutionary path. The south node tends to hold in that tail, in that dragon's tail, a lot of unconscious habits and behaviors and patterning that we are subject to and that we kind of play out or act out unconsciously. Whereas the north node is something that we're reaching toward. We're reaching toward more consciousness in the north node. And as we become more aware of those traits of the north node, whatever sign and house that happens to be in our birth chart, for example, then by bringing consciousness to that, we then allow the patterning in the south node to become more present as well. And because there are also gifts in the south node, but we can often get pulled back into old traits that can undermine us or undermine our path. So in the balancing of these nodes, which is really what this work is about, that can be a very important part of our soul's healing journey and of our evolutionary path. So that's what I'm going to be presenting in this workshop. We're going to be looking at each of the pairs of nodes by zodiac sign and by house, the house of the chart as well. We're going to be looking at what happens when you have planets conjunct your north or south node or making significant aspects of the nodal axis. And we're going to explore this experientially. We're going to look at each person's chart, at each pair of nodes that each person has in their chart, and we're going to play that out as a piece of healing theatre. Experiential theatre. That's how I like to work in this experiential way, because it goes much deeper and it becomes much more of an experience where we can become aware, not just become aware, but also start to heal some of these deep ingrained patterns that have past life currents and themes to them as well. So we're going to be going into that. I'm also going to be looking at the deeper mythological significance of the dragon and the serpent and the role that plays in astrology as well. So I hope that sounds interesting. I'd love you to come along. It's a really, really exciting, fun workshop, very dynamic. Everybody, can get involved. You can have your chart played out as well if you wish as part of the workshop too. So yeah, have a look on the website for all the information, and I hope to see you there.